Hello guys, welcome once again. In this video I will show you how to configure and install JavaCV on your system, and I will also show you how to create a sample JavaCV program in your NetBeans IDE. So what is JavaCV? So JavaCV is a real-time vision control or vision image processing library, which is a wrapper of Opencv. Opencv is basically written in C++, and JavaCV provides a wrapper for that Opencv libraries. And Opencv is extensively used in image processing and computer vision research. So let's get started and let's see how we can install JavaCV. So first of all, for installing JavaCV or for running JavaCV on your system, you need to install Opencv on your system. So just go to your browser and just write in your search tab Opencv, and first link which will open here is opencv.org. Just click it, and in here you will see at the right hand side the latest version for the download. And here you can see for which operating system you can download this Opencv files. So I'm downloading it for this Windows, so I will just click this link, and when I click this, it will open this Opencv minus 2.4.7.exe. So it's a relatively bigger library or bigger folder, and it will take around 10 to 15 minutes to download. So I have already downloaded it, and once you have downloaded it, just go to that exe file and just click it and run the executable file. And here the important step is to give the path. So it's preferred to save or extract your Opencv library in your C folder. So just write C colon and this slash and extract this Opencv in your C folder, and it will also take 1 or 2 minutes depending upon the speed of your system. By the time it's extracting, we can download our JavaCV files. So once again, go to your browser and in the search tab write JavaCV here. Search for it, and the first link you will see here is code.google.com/p/javacv, and in here you will also see the download link for CV. So just click this download link, and in here you will be able to see some zip files. So the files we are interested in is this JavaCV minus 0.6 minus bin zip, and this JavaCV minus 0.6 minus cpp jars dot zip. So this 0.6 can change according to the newest version, so just check for it. So download these two zip files. One is this bin file and one is this cpp jar files. And once you have downloaded these two files, just open those zip file and extract it in your C folder also. So when you go to your C folder, you will be able to see this JavaCV minus bin folder, which you have extracted from this JavaCV zip file, and you will be able to see JavaCV minus cpp jar folder. So the first folder will contain this Java CPP and JavaCV jar files, and the second folder, which is JavaCV minus CPP jar file, will contain all these Opencv jar files. Okay, and now our Opencv is also extracted in our C file. So you, in this C folder, you will be able to see this Opencv folder also. And when you click this Opencv folder, you will be able to see this build and source folder. So once your Opencv is extracted here, what you need to do is you need to set your environment variables. So go to this start button here, right click your computer, go to properties here, and go to advanced system settings, and in here go to environment variable, and in here go to this system variable here, and search for this path, and in here we are going to add the path of Opencv DLL files. So where you can find these DLL file in Opencv, just open or go to your Opencv folder in your C folder. So go to Opencv, then go to your build folder, then go to your x86 here, and then go to vc10, and then go to bin, and in here you will see all Opencv DLL files. These DLL files are the C++ DLL files which JavaCV will require. So just copy this path of this bin folder where you have these DLL files, and in your environment variable just paste this path here. I have already done that, so you will be able to see here after this semicolon. So whenever you are going to give this path, just give a semicolon here and then paste your path, right? So we you have here C slash opencv slash build slash x86 slash vc10 slash bin. Okay, and once you have done that, click OK, and once again click OK. Now once you have set your environment variable, open your NetBeans IDE and create a sample project. I have already created this sample project for this forms application, and in here in this project what I will do is I will go to this libraries here. So when you create your project, you will be able to see this library folder here, and just right click it and go to the properties here, and in here we are going to add the jar files. So just click this add jar and browse for this in your C folder. Browse for this JavaCV minus bin folder first. So, and in here you are going to see this jar files. So the jar file which is of our interest is this first, second, which is JavaCPP and JavaCV, and these files which are below are according to the operating system. So for example, I'm using Windows operating system, so I will select this or this according to the uh, Windows operating system 32-bit or 62-bit 64-bit. And if you are not sure, the best way is to add all the jar files, right, except this sample folder, and click OK, and click OK. And once again we are going to add some more jar file from the other folder. So right click this library once again, go to the properties, add jar, and this time we will browse for the other JavaCV folder, which is JavaCV-cpp jars. Open it, and here you need to select the jar file for Windows. So you need to select this which have Windows name here, and Opencv Windows jar file. So just this and this, and all the other file are for Linux and Android, so we don't need them. And click OK, and click OK. So once you are done with exporting your jar file in your libraries, I'm going to create a simple forms uh, program. So I have created this form, Java form here, and I will drag and drop a button here, and I will right click and edit the text, and I will write open image, for example, and I will just double click this button, and I reach to the button click event of this button, and in here I'm going to paste a sample JavaCV program. So in here I will paste this program, and when you paste or copy or paste this program once, here you will see this errors first of all. So first of all, let me go through this code first, and then we will see what to do with these errors. So just write IPL image, and then give it a variable name is equal to cv load image, and give the path of the image which you want to load in this argument here. And then in the next line we are going to create a canvas. It's just like a form in which your image will load. So write final canvas frame and give it a name is equal to new canvas, and in the bracket we will pass the argument which will be the title of this canvas. So I have given the title demo to this canvas frame, and then what we do is we will copy this canvas object here, and we will write canvas dot show image, and in the bracket I will pass this image object which is my IPL image object. And in the last line what I'm doing is I'm just writing a code to close this canvas frame. So I'll write canvas dot set default close operation, and in the bracket I'm passing the argument java x dot swing dot jframe dot exit on close. Okay, and once you have done with this code, and you will be able to see these errors here, the best way to remove the errors is just right click and fix imports. So right click and fix import, and if you see this cv load image error from here, just go at the top, and what you are going to do is we are going to import one more library here. So here we already have these two imports, which is import com.googlecode.javacv.canvas frame. This is for the canvas frame, and we also have import com.googlecode.javacv.cpp.opencv core.ipl So this is for the image, or taking the path of the image. One more import you need to give here is this one. So this is import static com.googlecode.javacv.cpp.opencv high GUI dot star. So if you see error on this cv load image, then just add this import here. import static com.googlecode.javacv.cpp.opencv underscore hi GUI dot this asterisk or star, and the other two import you will be able to see with right clicking and fix imports. Once you are done with that, and once you have written this code or copied this code here, I will keep this screen here. So if you want, you can copy and write the code from here, and once you are done with that, right click and run file, and your program will run. And once your program is running, just click open image button here, and you will be able to see this image from here. Okay, let's open some other image. So I'm just giving the path to the other image, so I will go to the image, right click, securities, and copy the path of the image, and in my code I will just change this path here. Okay, and once you are done with that, right click and run your code once again, and click this open image button, and it will open your image, right? So in this way you have successfully configured JavaCV and written your first JavaCV program with your NetBeans IDE. In future I will also show some more programs using JavaCV, so stay tuned and please rate, comment and subscribe, and bye for now.